Alright, so here we go. Let's take a look at this next one. I wanted to go ahead and do one where I didn't have the previous video we had where there was a positive sign in front of the B and a positive sign in front of the C, and this creates a little more difficulty here with the process. So we always start off with the greatest common factor. So let's take a look at the greatest common factor. So we divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6. Now, it looks like 6 is the largest thing they all have in common. This time we don't have a variable because the constant term doesn't have a variable. So we get 6, and that leaves us with 5b squared minus 44b minus 9. Alright, so we're at the spot now where we've pulled out our greatest common factor. We're ready to roll. We need to move one step forward, and so we're going to do our bottoms up to that guy right there. So we take our product. So our product is going to be equal to negative 45. We take our sum, which is going to be equal to negative 44, and we say, okay, what are our factors? So 45. So we have 1 and 40. Oh my goodness. 1 and 45. 2 doesn't go. 3 and 15. 4 doesn't go. And 5 and 9. So those are our numbers that will divide into 45. So out of this list of numbers right here, what set of numbers can be added or subtracted to give me negative 44? So 1 and 45. Now the question is what combination of positive and negatives am I going to use? So I could do positive 1 and positive 45, but that gives me 46. I could do negative 1 and negative 45, but that gives me negative 46. I could do let's go negative 1 and positive 45, but that gives me positive 44. So I could try positive 1 and negative 45, and that gives me negative 44. So it looks like the winner is going to be positive 1 and negative 45. So positive 1, negative 45. When I add them together, I get negative 44. When I multiply them together, I get negative 45. So 6b plus 1, b minus 45. Okay, I'm supposed to take my leading coefficient right here, divide by 5, divide by 5. So I get 6. 3 doesn't go into, or I'm sorry, 5 doesn't go into 1, so I move it out in front. That becomes 5b plus 1. b does go into 45, so that gives me b minus 9. Alright, and there's my factors for this particular trinomial or polynomial, however you want to call it. And that'll wrap us up. Thanks.